In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export Gmail messages to HTML. To begin, open Gmail in your web browser and sign in to the account that contains the message you want to export. Once you are in your inbox, locate the specific email you want to save as HTML. Open that email so you can see the full message content in the reading pane. It is important that you open the actual message first because the export option we need is found inside the message menu, not on the main inbox screen. Next, move your attention to the top right area of the open email, where Gmail shows the message actions. Look for the small menu icon, which is typically shown as 3 vertical dots. This menu contains additional options that are not always visible on the toolbar. Click that menu to expand the list of actions for the message you are viewing. In the menu that appears, find and click the option labeled Show Original. This will open a new page or tab that displays the raw original version of the email, including technical details like headers and the full message source. This view is useful because it provides access to the email in a format that can be saved exactly as it was received. On the Show Original page, look for the section labeled Original Message. Click on Original Message to open the content in its own view. At this point, you are looking at the message source, which can be saved as an HTML file depending on how your browser handles the download or save process. A quick tip for best results is to do this from a desktop browser, since the Show Original option may be harder to find or may behave differently on mobile devices. Also, make sure you are exporting the correct email before you proceed, especially if you have multiple similar messages in your inbox. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.